Hey, market sell-off, no fear. Let's go bargain shopping for today's top picks. Number 4 could double by Christmas. And I'm really excited about the stocks, and I do have an ETF for you this week. It's going to be a shocker for you. But let's go ahead and jump over and start taking a look at the stocks for the week. As I mentioned earlier, trading without a plan is like navigating uncharted water. We reveal, today we're going to reveal 4 stocks this coming week that could be setting up. We're not saying they're ready to buy right this moment in time. However, if you have a plan and you write it down, what we're going to be providing you, it will help you as we move into what's going on. And the first stock for today is WFRD. This is one of Anil's picks. Anil, this looks pretty rock solid. What's up with it?
Yeah, actually, I bought it Friday.
Yeah.
And it's oil and gas equipment.
Okay.
Fundamentals are totally superb.
Okay.
My tightest screen, and so I decided to get in.
Yeah, this is going on a nice little line, nice little tear, broke back out. It's a little bit extended above the 8 and the 20-day moving average, but at the same time has earnings coming up on the 25th of October. And is this considered in the oil and gas exploration group?
There is equipment, so I don't know for sure. But the industry group rating is 6 out of 197 on IBD. So it's...
Wow. Well, I've been watching I'll just throw this up really quick. Let me go back to the chart. Let's see how this looks or relates to XOP. Very similar. XOP, which is the oil and gas exploration guys. And so, yeah, I like that. So that's one. Now, this one, you have so much explaining to do about this one. No, actually, it's a great pick. So what's the scoop? This is NVDA.
Yes, I wanted to get in. The fundamentals are very strong, and I think it has pulled back so nicely right now. So that's where I might get in today.
Okay, are you looking at
Have some, I might add some.
I'm looking for that number right there, which is, yeah, it is. Okay. That's the breakout, one of the breakout areas, levels. So, yeah, it looks good. Are you thinking about getting in right now, or will you let it pull back like to the Fibonacci?
I think I'll probably get in right now around between 3 and 4.
Okay, between 3 and 4? I like it, yeah. And so one of the things yeah, and this continues. NVDA is going to be, it's an AI play. It's a play on so many other things. And so, okay. Hey guys, if today's insights have, sparked your curiosity about the other things we're trading, I encourage you, hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel. And remember, sharing is caring, so share the AutoPilot Trading Market Tech Talk channel with your trading buddies, and so that we can empower each other and in community grow in the way we like to trade. So my picks are Futu.
It's a nice one.
It is. Now I have a question. I'll throw this question out there, everybody. And please, don't ghost me here. Do you have any hangups about trading Chinese company? And if the answer is yes or no, just drop that into the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. Over on the YouTube channel, we're glad you're with us, and don't run away, because we've got the last stock. You're going to be going, whoa. What about you, Anil? Do you have any hangups about?
No, I just go by the fundamentals. If the fundamentals are excellent, I'll just follow them.
Okay, that's good. Anybody else online? I know some people are just they will not trade a Chinese stock, and so I'm and I have to admit, I did not realize until I did the research on this one that it is a Chinese stock, but that's okay. It's a brokerage type of stock. I like it in that it basically did this nice strong run here on increasing volume. Now we're getting a pullback back into what I love is the magic fib box right there. We have touched down not quite to the 50% retracement, not quite to the 8-day moving average, but I like Futu. Am I ready to buy it right now? No, I'm going to see if it'll pull back just a little bit more, but I'll be watching this week. And like I said, I'm going to put an alert down in the magic fib box. And so if I drop, and I will probably adjust and put an order in to buy some, if I drop down to, I will say about the 58.50 level, with my stop loss being no more than 5% below that. As you can see, the TSI, the momentum has shifted to the upside. We're early on in the new move up, and if this moves from where it's at to where up these past highs, that would be significant. So that would be give us from where it's at right now back up to the old highs, would give us an approximately about 170% move, and that would be rock solid if you could pick some of that up going into the end of the year. Our buddy Nugget. Now, I have been I won't say promoting, but I've been talking about the year-end run on gold. And this is one of the gold miner stocks. And I started talking about that over here. And to be honest, and we tried to get into some positions and was stopped out. However, now we've dropped down, hit, and reversed back up. And it looks as if the weekly charts are also starting to reverse back up. Last week, we had a 2-line cluster. And what do I have today on the weekly chart? Let me blow this up for you so you can see it. This is a piercing line, which is the cousin to a bullish engulfing pattern. Therefore, big green candle. Where's its strongest support? Right square dab in the middle of it. And but I have to be watching because this is a gap up. And so the way I like to trade this, Anil, is I watch these moving averages. I project out where the moving averages are going to be. So then I can look towards Monday. And as you can see, on Monday next week, that moving average should be up about the $28.99, $29 level. And that would be the place I would want to try to get in, maybe a little bit above that, like a nickel or so, with a stop immediately below this swing low right here. With the anticipation we're going to continue to move up. This is another one of those where if we just climb back to this past high right there, $50.85, well, that equates to about a 60% move. And that could happen over a very quick period of time. It did a similar type move from here up to there. That's 155%. 155% over a 8-week period or 221 days. If it did something similar, again, let's just take our Fibonacci's. Where's my upside target? 200 from where it's at right now. And that would be right there would be my upside target at about $58. And you can see or 56 bucks, just a little bit above that level right there. The positives on it, we're getting a higher low, which we really can't count it as a bullish positive divergence here. But like I said, I had a 2-line cluster last week, and now we're getting the reversal this week. So that's what my stock and my ETF pick is this week. Anil?
No, looks good on my system also. On the daily chart, both MACD and RSI have gone bullish.
Okay.
The 8 and 20 are about to cross, so it looks good.
Okay. Well, now everybody knows the way and the mechanism to get in. And so, because that's why I want to, let everybody know, here's what we're doing and here's where we're getting in and that type of thing. And just a real quick update on the book. it is still on track to be released during the last part of October. Still time to pre-order and get involved and get the invite to our masterclass. Uncertainty is part of trading, but it doesn't have to hold us back. Make sure to check out our playlist on the YouTube channel because I filled it with profitable trading tips, and that's what I'll take you away from. It'll be up here in this corner here. And provide you a really valuable roadmap to overcoming fear and mastering the market.